Bird behavior, words and phrases, Part 4. Plunge diving, when a bird dives down into water from flying or from a perch and submerges itself whilst trying to catch prey. Cape gannets plunge diving into the sea. Rousing. This is when birds erect and fluff their feathers in displays or when bathing or preening. Swee waxbill fluffing its plumage while bathing. Talon grappling. When birds, like raptors, attack each other in the air and grab the talons of the other bird. White-necked ravens talon grappling in the air. Trawling. When pelicans hunt by dragging the bill pouch through the water and scooping up fish, the water is then removed and the prey swallowed. Great white pelican trawling with its lower mandible. Wing drooping. When the bird is too hot, it will open its wings away from the body to allow cool air to circulate around the body. Grey heron drooping its wings. Grey-backed sparrowlark drooping its wings on a sweltering hot windy day. Siblicide or cainism. When one chick, usually the older one, kills the younger one to reduce competition for food. There were 2 chicks in the nest initially. Weeks later, only one was left. Moulting. The shedding of old worn feathers that are then replaced with new ones from within the same follicle. Southern double-collared sunbird male moulting, breeding plumage. Southern red bishop male moulting, breeding plumage. Malachite sunbird male moulting, breeding plumage. Kleptoparasitism or piracy, when one bird steals the food from another bird. Adult black stork stealing a fish from a juvenile. Migration. The seasonal movement of birds from the area where they breed to an area where they do not breed and then back again. Migration route of the Arctic tern, pole to pole. Migration route of the tiny willow warbler. Migration route of the curlew sandpiper. Brood parasitism. When a bird lays its eggs in another bird's nest and expects that bird to incubate and raise its chicks. Olive woodpecker pair at their nest. Lesser honey guide entering and leaving the woodpecker nest after possibly laying an egg inside. Nectar feeding. When birds feed on the sugar-rich, energy-filled nectar of flowers. Male southern double-collared sunbird enjoying the aloe nectar. Scavenging. This is the feeding on dead or decaying animal material by many different birds, like vultures and crows. Cape vultures scavenging on a sheep carcass. Copulation. The act of mating, where the male mounts the female and rubs his cloaca against the female's. The male sperm passes onto the female ova, where it is then fertilized. Pair of black winged stilts copulating. Vocal mimicry. When some birds are able to imitate the sounds, songs, and calls of other birds, or sounds in their environment, like car alarms, chainsaws, etc. Sabota lark mimicking the African rock pipit's call. Cape robin shack mimicking Cape Battis's call. Female mocking cliff chat mimicking a Cape rock thrush. Grazing. This is the biting off or cropping of grass with the sharp edges of the bill. Ducks and geese graze like this. Red-knobbed coot grazing on grass. We hope you enjoyed this 4-part series. To see the other videos in the series, click on the links provided.